back to 25 DIYs and brick styles, and today it's going to feel like a little bit of a science experiment because we are candle making. I picked up these glass teacups from the op shop and thought it would be a great way to recycle them. As you know, I'm doing a lot of handmade gifts this year and candle making has been very popular. I thought you guys would enjoy doing it with me. I am not an expert when it comes to DIY candling. You can pick up all the supplies from your local craft shop for it to be a great hobby. I just grabbed mine from Spotlight and it's enough to make a few candles. I have some colours and some fragrance, so we are going to be playing around with those, but no worries if you don't have any. So what you'll need for today is from Spotlight pre-wax candle wicks, soy wax palette, some crystals, candle fragrance, candle colour, your teacups, a saucepan and a heating source. So what we're going to do is start by turning our camp stove or oven on. It won't be too high, and we're going to put in a cup plus 20% of wax. Popping in our thermometer, we just want to keep an eye on the temperature. Once it's completely dissolved, we'll add our colour. Then turn our camp stove off, let our wax go down to 65 degrees and then add our fragrance. Adding in our colour. Turn the camp stove off and let it cool down to 65 degrees. Temperature's now dropped down under 70 degrees. We're going to add our sexy vanilla fragrance. I've decided all 3 candles are going to be a different fragrance. You don't need too much. It smells really good. Now that's all mixed in. Pour it in. And just to help the wick sit up, I'm just using some paddle pop sticks.
Following the stars that lead me straight to you, and though this long December night only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols, oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow.
How cute did these turn out? Now, for an amateur candle maker, I think I did pretty well, and for something that's handmade for Christmas, it's just made with love. The colours are a little bit more intense than what I was anticipating, but hey. They've got like a little bit of a gelato feel about them instead of a cottage feel. I added some crystals on top. With crystals in candles, as long as they're real, they're fine. Crystals actually don't melt. So if you do have one that does, maybe check where the source is from, because it's probably not a real crystal. A great way to tell if your crystal is real is holding it up to your cheek. It will be below room temperature, so it'll feel quite cool. Or you might have some cups around the house that you could do this with, or find some at the thrift shop. Let me know how you go, and I'll see you tomorrow for 25 DIYs for Christmas.